Hey friends, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today, I want to show you some tank tops that I have purchased that I have fallen in love with. They're very reasonably priced. I got them on Amazon. I know this is not a wig video. I know most of my videos are wig videos, but you guys, I could not stop myself from telling you about these. And why do you say? Because I have literally bought them in like every color. These are so amazing. So I wanted to tell you guys about them because I love them so much. So if you are interested in learning about tank tops, I wear a tank top under my shirts like a man wears an undershirt under his shirts. I always wear a tank top under my shirts. Depending on the shirt I'm wearing, it may be colored, it may be white. But these are so awesome because I'm right now totally into wearing more wide neck shirts where you can see the tank top. So if you want to know more about this, stick around. This is not going to be a long video, but I just wanted to tell you guys. Of my regular watchers have clicked off of this because I know a lot of you guys are just here for the wig stuff, but sometimes I find really good products and I just want to tell everybody. I personally appreciate it when someone I know and trust gives me purchasing advice, so that's what I'm trying to do here. All right, you guys, I'll be really quick, I promise, but these t-shirts, they are just some generic brand on Amazon. I actually cut the tags out of them when I get them. I did just get some black and other colors, so these still have the tags in them. They are made with 92% polyester, 8% spandex, and they are awesome. Now, the tag says hand wash cold, line dry. I actually don't hand wash these. I do put them in the washing machine in just a lingerie bag, the same type of bag I put my bras in when I wash them. I don't hand wash those either. But I do hang them to dry. I hang them like I hang my bras. And they dry really, really quickly. So I have on a hot pink one right now. And what I'm loving about these is I'm really into wearing t-shirts with a wide neck. And I've even taken to starting to cut some of my t-shirts. I've been watching some tutorials on YouTube here, how to cut shirts and modify t-shirts. So ones that were just standard, you know, crew neck, so that I could wear them with these tank tops. I'll show you this one. I'll go do a quick change and I'll show it to you guys. But they're really great. And I'll tell you a couple things. I have not traditionally ever liked the Racerback. These are Racerback tank tops. I have not traditionally liked Racerback tank tops. But I'm going to turn this camera down just a little bit so you can, it's not so high. But with wearing them with wide t-shirts like this, it has been so great. I just think it's so attractive. You can see a little pop of color in the back. You can see a little pop of color here because it's a Racerback, so it goes in a little bit further than a typical tank top. And another thing I'm totally into, I go through these phases with my clothes, is tying my t-shirts. Maybe because I'm losing weight and I can actually do that now since I've lost some weight. And so I like to be able to have the t-shirt sticking out a little bit on the bottom and then I just tie it off. So this is a really old shirt. I've had it for I don't even know how many years, a really long time, but I'm wearing it again because I've lost some weight. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I will put a link in the description so that you can go find these if you're interested in checking them out. Again, they're washing up great. I will tell you though, they're one size fits all and they are tight on me. My daughter wore one. She is a size kind of, I think she's typically like a size medium. She's not a big girl at all. She's about 5 inches shorter than me and a lot smaller than me. She wore one day and it fit her perfectly. It was too long for her, so she just sort of folded it. But I don't normally show a lot of my body on here because that's one thing I'm super self-conscious about. But I just want you guys to see. I mean, I have oops, sorry everyone. I pull it and then it goes down too far. I have a belly. I'm not a small girl, but so I can't wear these by themselves. But if you're smaller, if you're slimmer around the midsection, you could wear these just as they are. You may not have to wear them under a shirt. What I really like about them is they're fitted on me. And so they do kind of suck me in a little bit, not uncomfortably. It's very comfortable and it feels very supportive. and I really appreciate that. So they do look really good underneath a shirt. They don't add bulk. They're not baggy at all, so you don't get some of that extra bulk. It's just, I find it to be really comfortable, and I feel really confident when I wear them. I just think that they do something to make me feel a little bit more confident, probably because they're fitted and they act like just a little bit of a support tank top. Let me do a quick change and I can show you in a different shirt and wrap this up. Okay, so here's another shirt. This is a t-shirt that I just recently cut. I cut the neck out of it. I cut the band off on the sleeves, and I cut the bottom, and I actually cut the bottom and tore it a little bit so I could easily tie it. I'm really just excited to try some different things with t-shirts. I'm finding a lot of cool videos out there. So if I get good at it, maybe I'll share some of that information with you guys. But anyway, I just cut that, and then I can just tie it so easily. And so this is perfect, and I bought a blue one to match the blue in this. I love them, you guys. I really love them. So a couple things just to be aware of. They are ribbed, and it's another thing. I didn't used to like ribbed tank tops. I had some a long time ago and I got rid of them, and I always look for more of just the flat cotton, not the ribbed, and these have a very, very slight rib. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. It's very slight. It's not a wide or a thick rib. They're very soft. They're extremely soft. They're very, very stretchy. When I go to put it on, it's like, ooh, this is kind of small, but it stretches and it's so comfortable. I've got it in black. I just today got black. I got brown because, you know, we're heading into fall here. I got a gray color, and then I had the hot pink you saw. I've got like a neon orange, a neon yellow, a neon green, and this is kind of a turquoise. I went a little crazy, but like I said, I wear tank tops under every single shirt. So these have been my staple go-to all summer. I am typically a size 16. XL to 2XL is my typical size. So if you're trying to gauge, like I said, they are super comfortable on me. I am an apple shape. I carry all my weight in my upper body, all up here. I am well endowed, so I really do think this is going to fit just about anybody. My daughter, like I said, she's little, she's a lot shorter than me, she's a size medium, and she was able to wear them, and it looked fabulous on her. It was too long for her liking, but it looked awesome. So I think this is going to fit a lot of people. If you have Amazon Prime, you can return them. Free returns, I believe. So what do you have to lose? So if you're looking for something to wear underneath your clothes, if you have some shirts where a little pop of color at the neckline might look cute, you could consider these. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. If you watched all this way, I'm going to tell you the wig I have on my head. I am wearing a Milano band fall wig. This is essentially a headband wig by Milano. It's like a 3/4 wig, which are my favorite for headbands. And it is curly. Naturally curly. Well, not naturally, it's permed, but it has really beautiful curls. I'll be reviewing this for you guys soon. I just got it. I purchased it last week, so I haven't worn it a whole lot. So I want to wear it a little bit, and then I will do a review on it. But I love me a good headband wig, and this one is going to last me probably forever at this point if I take care of it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.